If you're on the hunt for a cordless finish nailer with pneumatic level performance, you might think the Bosch is your best bet. But before you rush to buy, there are a few crucial drawbacks you'll want to know about. Stick around to find out. The Bosch GNH18V-15MAN is a cordless brushless 15-gauge finish nailer designed for high-performance finishing work. Built with a rugged yet compact design, it combines portability with the heavy-duty capability you'd expect from a pneumatic tool. The angled magazine is a key feature, allowing you to drive in nails in tighter spaces, a plus if you're tackling intricate trim work or working around corners. This nailer is loaded with thoughtful features like one-handed activation for quicker operation, and a low recoil design that enhances control. If you've used other cordless models, you'll appreciate how Bosch's brushless motor optimizes efficiency, enabling up to 1,200 nails per charge when paired with Bosch's 4 amp-hour battery. For users who work in low light or precise conditions, the dual LED light brightens up the work surface, helping to minimize mistakes. Compared to competitors like the DeWalt, Bosch offers one of the best ergonomic experiences with an intuitive control interface that makes it easy to switch between firing modes and monitor tool maintenance. However, while the DeWalt model includes a battery, Bosch does not, which may factor into your budget. The Bosch is priced around $350 for the bare tool, making it a premium choice. For the latest discounts and package deals, check out the Amazon link below. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: battery and charger not included. Heavier than some cordless competitors. Expensive as a bare tool. May struggle with some hardwoods. Pros: high power and consistent performance. Up to 1,200 nails per charge. LED lights for better visibility. Ergonomic tool-free depth adjustment. Low recoil and one-handed activation. If the Bosch sounds like the right fit for your projects, don't forget to check the Amazon link below for the latest pricing and deals. And if this review helped, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment with any questions.